Exercise 10.2 from question number 11. The question number 11 is a line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0, 2, 3 divides in the ratio 1:9 and find the equation of the line. Okay, the ratio is 1:n and the points joining these two 1, 0 and 2, 3. So first we have to find the slope of this line. Okay, the points are 1, 0, 2, 3 and the ratio is 1:n. Okay, the slope of this line m equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It is equal to the 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1. It is 3. Okay, the lines are perpendicular to each other. Lines are perpendicular to each other. It means the slope of, therefore slope of line, slope of these lines क्या होता है perpendicular minus 1 by m. It means it is minus 1 by 3. Okay, now we know that the point divided in the ratio 1:9. The formula is x1 y1 and x2 y2. 2 points divided in the ratio and the ratio 1:n. The formula is x equal to, formula क्या है, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and the second coordinate y equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now m is 1, n is n. It means 1 x2. This is the reason. Points 1, 0, 2, 3. Right here 1, 0, 2, 3. x1 y1 x2 y2. And 1 into 2 plus n into 1 by n plus 1. Coordinates x, y. And the same y m by 2. 1 is to 0. 1 into 0 plus n into 0. Sorry, 1 into, the points are 1, 0, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 0, 2, 3. It means 1 into 3 plus n into 0 by n plus 1. These points are 2 plus n over n plus 1. And the second point is 3 by n plus 1. These are the coordinates of the line divided in the two parts. Now m, no, the equation of line perpendicular to each other, the equation of a line of the perpendicular y minus y naught upon m, sorry, y minus y naught equal to m x minus x naught. Here is the point, are points. अब किस पॉइंट पे डिवाइड नॉर्मल है, हमारे पॉइंट्स हैं 2 प्लस एन अपॉन एन प्लस 1 एंड 3 अपॉन एन प्लस 1. इट मीन्स एक्स नॉट वाई नॉट. द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन इज वाई माइनस वाई नॉट इक्वल टू एम एक्स माइनस एक्स नॉट. ओके, तो वाई माइनस 3 अपॉन एन प्लस 1, एम इज माइनस 1 by 3 and x minus x naught means n plus 2 by n plus 1. Solve this equation. N plus 1 y minus 3 over n plus 1. And now multiplied by x by 3 minus x by 3 plus n plus 2 over 3 times n plus 1. Now solve. N plus 1 y minus 3 over n plus 1 equal to, take LCM 3 times n plus 1. It is equal to the minus n plus 1 x and it is equal to the n plus 2. Okay, now n plus 1 cancel and multiplied by 3 in this. So 3n plus 1 y minus 9 plus n plus 1 x minus n minus 2 equal to 0. It is equal to the 3n plus 1 y plus n plus 1 x minus n minus 11 equal to 0, or the this side take a n plus 11. Okay. Now question number 12. The question number 12 is, find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Equal intercept cut on the x-axis and y-axis, okay, and pass through the point 2, 3. In the question given that a line cuts through the equal intercept, it means this point is a0, so this is also 0 a, मतलब distance दोनों में same है. तो सब in the equation a equal to b, the equation of line is x plus a y upon b equal to 1. If we put b equal to a, the equation becomes a plus b y x upon a plus y upon a equal to 1. It means x plus y equal to a. Now this line passing through the points 2, 3. Suppose this line passed through the point 2, 3. It means x is 2. Put x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Line passes through point 2, 3. It means 2 plus 3 equal to a equal to 5. Now the equation of line is x plus y equal to 5, or the x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation of line passing through the point 2, 3. Question number 13. Find the equation of a line passes through the point 2, 2 and cutting off the intercept on the axis whose sum is 9. It means a plus b equal to 9 and passing through the points 2, 2. In the question given that a plus b equal to 9. Okay. So now b equal to 9 minus a. The equation of this, x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Put the value, and this line passes through the line passes through the points 2, 2. Passes through point 2, 2. It means x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. The equation becomes 2 upon a plus 2 upon 9 minus a equal to 1. Now solve. This is the equation 2 upon a plus 2 upon 9 minus a equal to 1. Take LCM. It is equal to the 2, 9 minus a plus 2a equal to 1. 2, 18 minus a square plus 2a equal to 9a minus a square. Sorry, 18 minus 2a plus 2a, 9a minus a square. You cancel. The equation a square minus 9a plus 18 equal to 0. Now factorize this. A square minus 6a minus 3a. 6 3 is 18. It is equal to the a minus 6 and a minus 3. It is meaning x equal to 6 or 3. If a equal to 6, then b equal to 3, and a equal to 3, then b equal to 6, because the sum of a and b is 9. Okay. Now put in the equation x upon 6 plus y upon 3 equal to 1. Okay. It is equal to the 3x plus 6y equal to 18. Now 3 common, x plus 2y equal to 6. Okay, the first equation is x plus 2y equal to 6. Now and the second, just put x upon 3 plus y upon 6 equal to 1. It is equal to the 6x plus 3y equal to 18. It means 2x plus y minus 6. Okay, these are the equations of lines. Okay, next question number 14. The question of 14 is find equation of the line passing through the point 0, 2 making an angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive x-axis. Okay, and also find the equation of the line parallel to it crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin, yani y equal to minus 2. Okay, the point, a line passes through the point is 0, 2 and m equal to tan theta. M equal to tan theta means 2 pi by 3. M equal to 2 pi by 3 and m equal to tan 2 pi by 3. Okay, so 2 pi by 3 equal to minus root 3. Okay, m equal to minus root 3. A line passing through this equation is y minus y naught equal to m x minus x naught. The equation passes 0, 2. It means y minus 2 equal to minus root 3 x minus 0. It is equal to the root 3x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now a line parallel to the y-axis and below the origin. It means the point is the next part is point is 0 minus 2. Okay, a line यहाँ लिख देंगे line parallel to x-axis and y coordinate is below the origin. Okay, so it means the point equal to 0 minus 2 and m equal to the same minus root 3. Okay, then the equation of this is x y minus y naught, y minus 2 and m minus root 3 x minus 0 also equal to the root 3x come this side plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of line passing through the point 0 minus 2 with slope 2 pi by 3. Question number 15. Question number 15 is the perpendicular from the origin to the line meets it at a point minus 2, 9. Find the equation of the line. Okay, perpendicular to this minus 2, 9. The points are given 0, 0 origin and second point is minus 2, 9. Now the slope of the line. Slope of line m equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It is equal to the 9 by minus 2. 9 minus 0 minus 5, it is minus 9 by 2. But we know that the non-vertical line, it means क्या है perpendicular to each other. A line perpendicular to this line. Okay, so it means slope is equal to slope m equal to minus 1 upon m. Yani it is 2 by 9. Okay, the line passes through the point. Minus 2, 9. It means the equation of line is y minus 9 equal to m is 9, it is equal to the 2 by 9. And x minus minus 2 means x plus 2. Cross multiply. 9y minus 81 equal to 2x plus 4. It is equal to the 2x minus 9y plus 85 equal to 0. This is the equation of line. Okay. Equation of the line is 2x minus 9y plus 85. Next, question number 16. Question number 16. The length L in centimeter of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. Okay. In an experiment, L equal to 124.942, where C equal to 20, and L equal to 125.134 when C equal to 110. Express L in terms of C. X and Y. Okay, we have taken L along x-axis and Y as C along y-axis. Okay. Now the coordinates. अब कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या बनेंगे? जब L कितना था 124.942, then C equal to 20, and the second when L equal to 125.134, it is equal to the 110. Okay, in the xy plane. Now the equation of the line is y minus y naught, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus y minus y1, x2 y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and x minus x1. Okay. Now y minus y1, y minus 20, y2 minus y1 110 minus 20, and x2 125.134 minus 124.942 into x minus x1 is 124.942. Okay. Now solve. Subtract this. It is equal to the 90 upon 2.192. 90 upon 192, and here is the y is the C is on the y-axis, and this is equal to the L. The L minus 124.942, because we have to represent the equation in C and L. Now cross multiply 0.192 C minus 20, and it is 90 divided by 90 equal to L minus 124.942. Now L equal to 0.192 by 90 C minus 20 plus 124.942. हमको यही करना था कि L को रिप्रेजेंट करना था इन द फॉर्म ऑफ C. Okay. Next question. The owner of milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of a milk each week at rupees 14 per liter, and 1220 liters of milk each week rupees 16 per liter. Assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand, how many liters could he sell weekly at the rate of 17 per liter? Okay, first we make the equation, then find the value. Let us assume selling price per liter is on selling price per liter on x-axis. First we have to make the coordinates. पहले coordinate बनाएंगे तो x-axis पे selling price लेंगे और demand ऑन वाई एक्सिस. ओके, नाउ द कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या बन जाएंगे? फिर कोऑर्डिनेट्स बनेंगे एक्स वाई लेकर के. तो पहले कितना था? 16 रुपीज पर लीटर था और सेल है डिमांड उसकी 1220. ठीक है. और दूसरा है 14,980. ओके, 14,980, 14 रुपीज पर लीटर. द सेल इज 980. ओके, नाउ द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू दिस y minus y1, if y minus y1 is 980 and y2 minus y1, इसको हम लोग x2 y2 लेंगे क्योंकि ये बड़ा नंबर है और ये x1 y1 छोटा. माइनस करेंगे तो नेगेटिव का चक्कर नहीं रहेगा. 1220 minus 980 upon 16 minus 14 and x minus 14. Okay, now solve. Y minus 980, it is equal to the 240 by 2, x minus 14. Okay, it is equal to the 120. The y minus 980 equal to 120 x minus 0.1680. Okay, so now solve. The equation becomes y equal to 120x minus 1680 plus 980. It is equal to minus 8 plus 90 minus 700. Now x equal to 17 rupees per liter. Just put in this equation y equal to 120 into 17 minus 700. Multiply 17 over 3. It is equal to the 1340. यानी अगर रेट वो कर देगा 17 रुपीज पर लीटर, द सेल विल बी 1340, 1340 liters. Okay. Next, question number 18. Question number 18 is, if P, AB is the midpoint of the line segment between axes, so that the equation of the line is x upon A plus y upon B equal to 2. Okay. This is a line. The midpoint of this is line is given that AB. This point is AB. Suppose the coordinate of this line is x0. यहाँ पर coordinate दिए हैं और ये axis पे कितना होगा? 0 y. Okay, this is the midpoint. So we can write A equal to x plus 0 by 2 and B equal to 0 plus y upon 2. It means A equal to x by 2 and B equal to y upon 2. Okay. Now the point passing through this line, by AB से पास करा तो AB यानी x by 2 y upon 2. Put the value. Now the point becomes x by 2 equal to A means x equal to 2A and y upon 2 equal to B, it means y equal to, the points are x0 and 0 y. X equal to 2A, the points हो गए क्या? 2A 0 and it is 0 2B. A line passes through these 2 points equal to y minus 2B and y2 minus y1 and x minus 2A, x minus 0, 2A नहीं, x minus 0, x minus x1. Minus b upon a, x. Multiply a by minus 2ab plus bx equal to 0. Now arrange a by bx plus a by equal to 2ab and divide by ab, we get x upon a plus y upon b equal to 2 divided by AB. We get the equation hence proved. Question number 19. Suppose here is a line. This is a line. A point P, it is the coordinates h, k. Divide in the ratio 1:2. The points of coordinate is x0 and it is 0, y. Okay. Suppose the point is x0 and 0y divided in the ratio 1:2. The points x0 and 0y. m:2n is 1:2. Now the coordinates x equal to, first is mx2. It means 1 into 0 plus 2 into x by 2 plus 1, 3. It is 2x by 3. Okay, the first coordinate 2x by 3, it is equal to the h, because the points is hk divide the line in the ratio 1:2, it is h. X equal to 3h by 2. And the same y coordinate, 1 into y plus 2 into 0. Okay, divided by 1 plus 2. It is equal to the y upon 3 equal to k. The y equal to 3k. Now the points are x0 and 0y. It means x is 2 by 3, 3h y 2, 0 and 0y, 0 3k. पहले हमने क्या किया कि इसको m:n रेशियो में डिवाइड किया और हमने निकाल लिया कि h के जो पॉइंट है उसके कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे. तो हो गया 0 3 के पॉइंट और एक हो गया 3h by 2. सपोज a पॉइंट इज, सब यहाँ पर a है और ये b है और ये पॉइंट p है. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, 0y मीन्स 0 3k एंड b पॉइंट इज 3h by 2 इंटू 0. ठीक है. अब लाइन पासिस दीज 2 पॉइंट्स. ओके, नाउ लाइन passes through the point 0. So y minus y1, equation of line will be x2 minus x1 and x minus x1. Now put y minus 3k equal to 0 minus 3k by x2 3h by 2 minus 0 and x minus 0. Now solve. It is 3h by 2. Now cross multiply 3h by 2 y minus 3 into 3 9 hk by 2 equal to minus 3kx. Okay. So it is equal to, now solve, 3kx plus 3h by 2y equal to 9hk by 2. Now divided by this 3. Take all the 3 common and divide by hk. 3k. So we get, if we divide by 3hk, and it x upon h plus y upon k y upon 2k equal to 3 by 2. It is equal to the 3 by 2. Now divide by 2 by 3. Multiply by 2 by 3 to the whole equation. So we get 2x by 3h. 2x by 3h multiplied by 2 by 3. So we get 2 to cancel. Y upon 3k equal to 1. Y 2x by 3h plus y upon 3 equal to 1. Multiply 2 by 3 to the whole equation. Okay. This is the solution final. Now question number 20. Last question number 20. By using the concept of equation of line, prove that the 3 points 3 0, minus 2 2 and 8 2 are collinear. Okay. Suppose there are 3 points on a line A, B and C. If the equation of line passing these 2 points, अगर इन दोनों पॉइंट्स से अगर एक लाइन पास करती है उसकी इक्वेशन इसको भी सेटिस्फाई करेगी. अगर सेटिस्फाई कर देगी इट मीन्स दीज पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर. तो नाउ द इक्वेशन ऑफ line passes through the points 3, 0 and -2, 2. The equation of line is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Just put y minus 0, y2 minus y1 means -2 minus 0, -2 minus 3 and x minus 3. Okay, it is equal to the -5, y equal to 2 by 5, minus minus cancel, x minus 3, 5y equal to 2x minus 6, or the 2x minus 5y equal to 6. Okay, if this line passes through the point A2, must satisfy the equation. A line passes through point 8, 2. Just put x equal to 8 and y equal to 2 in LHS. LHS is 2x minus 5y. It means 2 into 8 minus 5 into 2. 16 minus 10, it is equal to the 6, which is the RHS. It means the point passes to the point. It means the points are collinear. The given points are collinear. Okay. Thank you.